The Syndicate got your trap on lock.
Everything Taylor. You dumb fuck. I ain't gonna say it again, nigga. TGOD.
The Syndicate.
It ain't the size of the man, it's the size of the motherfucking plan. What you doing? Cap.
DJ Spin Addict.
My flow so
DJ
disgusting.
Spin Addict. DJ Spin Addict.
Hold on. My flow so disgusting. Niggas talking shit. Topic of discussion about the boy that's on top, but they wish I wasn't. Then to see me bar rather 2 times 3 feet fall or kiss they cousin. Ill.
The Syndicate.
But the real niggas love it, and they keep that hammer. You little niggas can't touch this. And I'm too legit to quit, too much grip to trip. The weed I'm smoking on be like 6s. If the car I'm driving cost me a tick to whip. All these diamonds say I'm being ridiculous. All this grinding got me on the millions list. All this time and now being a trillions. You on your iPhone taking pictures. I'm on the island swimming with the fishes. I'll take your money, you can keep your bitches. Fake friends, I had those. If my niggas up in your VIP, fill that thing with some bad hoes and some Bombay and some champagne and some ashtrays for them airplanes. I'm throwing up my damn gang, cause it's Taylor gang over everything. Taylor ho. Taylor. Taylor ho. Taylor. Taylor ho. Taylor. Taylor ho. Taylor.